Good morning!
I'm your radio teacher,
I am your science buddy.
and I'll give you an exciting lesson that you'll surely enjoy.
Talks Radio. Education must continue.
Learning is a great avenue.
No one will be left behind. With new normal comes new learning.
New method, new way of understanding.
Keep on learning.
Keep on achieving,
There's no way of hindering.
enriching one's dream.
This is Talks Radio,
your number one source of science education.
Conveying a half an hour of quality scientific teaching on air.
This is
Talks Radio.
Good morning, dear young scientists of grade 6. You're listening to DepEd School on Air in Science. We are very glad to be with you in learning today by observation and discovery through radio. I am at your service, Ma'am Rachel from Sdo Isabela, and I'll give you an exciting lesson that you'll surely enjoy. How are you today? I hope you're doing good. Make sure that you are in a conducive and comfortable place while listening to our broadcast. By the way, did you have your breakfast already? Never skip your meals so that you can actively listen and understand our lesson for today. Before we start our first lesson, it is proper to find out your prior knowledge about our topic. So, refer to your module and let us try to answer the following questions by choosing the letter of the best answer. Please write your answer on a sheet of paper. Let's start! For item number 1, which of the following is a mixture? A. Macaroni salad, B. Sun, C. Logs, D. Plate. Item number 2. Mixtures can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. A sachet of 3-in-1 coffee contains sugar and powdered cream, thus making it heterogeneous. When hot water is being poured into the 3-in-1 mixture, it turns homogeneous. What idea supports the said occurrence? A. The components of mixtures when dissolved in hot water cannot be identified. B. The components of mixtures mixed with hot water taste sweet. C. Components of mixtures form a 2-layer liquid. D. The components of mixtures can be separated. Are you still there? Let's proceed to item number 3. Which of the following are homogeneous mixtures? Roman numeral 1, tea with sugar. Roman numeral 2, buko salad. Roman numeral 3, nachos. Roman number 4, alcohol. And Roman number 5, air. I repeat, which of these substances are homogeneous mixtures? A. 1 and 2, B. 4 and 5, C. 2 and 3, and D. 1, 4, and 5. Here's for item number 4. Imagine a vegetable salad. How would you define mixture? Are you done with your answer for item number 4? Let's continue on item number 5. Among the given substances, name 3 mixtures based on what you already know. Alright, let us relax. Inhale, exhale. Are you ready with our 6th item? This is it. Which is true about heterogeneous mixtures? A. Composition of mixtures are the same all throughout. B. Composition of mixtures are visible. C. Composition of mixtures can be easily identified. And letter D, both A and C. Item number 7. A pizza is an example of a heterogeneous mixture. Explain why it is classified as such. For item number 8, I will read to you examples of mixtures and you're going to group them into homogeneous or heterogeneous mixtures. Here they are: iron, alcohol, Xerox, books in the library, smoke, spaghetti, wine, clothes inside the cabinet, bok choy, and halo-halo. For item number 9, list 5 mixtures that can be found in your kitchen. And here we are for item number 10. Sahaya likes to eat banana Q during recess time together with her friend Ahmad. Can you name the components of mixtures used in making a banana Q? Let us see if your answers are correct. Listen carefully as I tell the correct answer for each item. I want you to check your answers honestly. Give yourself 1 point for each correct item. For item number 1, you've got it. It's letter A, your favorite macaroni salad. For item number 2, the idea is that the components of mixtures when dissolved in hot water cannot be identified. You're correct. It's letter A again. Let's continue item number 3. The correct answer is letter D. It's Roman number 1, tea and sugar, Roman number 4, alcohol, and Roman number 5, air. Let's proceed to item number 4. How will you define a mixture of a vegetable salad? Your possible answers may be heterogeneous, not uniform in proportion, not evenly spread. The substances can be identified after mixing together. For item number 5, the heterogeneous mixtures are gravel and sand, buko salad, and yes, a yummy halo-halo. Are you excited with the results? For item number 6, the correct answer is letter D. The composition of mixtures are visible and can be easily identified. Don't be discouraged if you got a wrong answer. There are still 4 items to go. Let's continue on item number 7. A pizza is classified as heterogeneous because we can easily identify the substances on top of the baked flour, the sauce, the hot dog. For item number 8, the homogeneous are Xerox, smoke, wine, alcohol, while the heterogeneous are iron, books in the library, spaghetti, clothes inside the cabinet, and halo-halo. We have 2 more chances of correct answers. The possible answers for item number 9 are sugar and coffee, salt and vinegar, soy sauce and vinegar, different vegetables in the refrigerator, calamansi extract and fish sauce, mongo and string bean seeds, and many others which you think can be mixed together. Last but not the least item, number 10. The components of banana Q are sugar and cooking oil. Now, count how many correct answers you've got. Don't worry if you are not satisfied with your score. Just listen carefully to our lesson so that you can do better later. We shall have more about mixtures after this short break.
Let us just stay home and be safe while we learn and do our lesson. Let us continue education amidst this pandemic. Education must continue despite of pandemic. A simple reminder from the Department of Education and this station.
Now, are you ready for our new lesson? Like what I have said a while ago, our lesson for today is describing mixtures. Say it again. I hope that after this lesson, you will be able to describe and identify a homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Have you ever tried eating delicious food served in your school canteen during recess time? Have you ever thought of how these foods were prepared in such a way that various ingredients were mixed to make it delicious and healthy? The combination of several components or elements produce a useful end product that can be utilized and consumed for our advantage. As you can see in your modules, mixtures are a combination of two or more substances that can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixtures appear uniform all throughout because they have the same proportion. A good example of homogeneous mixture is a 3-in-1 coffee. When you pour the mixture to a glass of hot water, does it dissolve uniformly or not? Yes, it dissolves uniformly, and this means that the mixture is homogeneous. On the other hand, heterogeneous mixtures are not uniform in proportion, where combined substances are not evenly spread or mixed. A vegetable salad is an example of heterogeneous. You can identify the vegetables that are mixed together. From the short information that we have mentioned about mixtures, let us answer the following questions. Am I clear? Good! First question. What is a mixture? Very good! Mixture is a combination of two or more substances. What are the two types of mixtures? Yes! Homogeneous and heterogeneous. What do you call a mixture that appears uniform? Correct. It is homogeneous mixture, where the substances are evenly mixed throughout because they have the same proportion. How about heterogeneous mixtures? These are not uniform in proportion, where combined substances are not evenly spread or mixed. Did you get me? We'll continue on the next activity after this short break. Good morning, Miss Santos. Oh, good morning to Mrs. Cruz. What can I do for you? I just want to ask, ma'am, are we the ones to teach our children at home during this pandemic? As we have already given the modules, we encourage you to guide your child for them to complete all the given activities. Do not worry because instructions are clearly provided in their self-learning materials. Just provide your child the necessary adult supervision while doing the task. If you have queries, you can always reach me. We cannot do anything but to follow the new normal way of learning. Worry not, if everyone stays at home, COVID-19 will go away. Thank you, Mrs. Santos. I promise to guide my child the best way I can. Have a good day, Mom. Thank you for your cooperation, Mrs. Cruz. Likewise, keep safe. In DepEd, modular learning under the new normal is one of the modalities. Sulong Edukalidad. We recover as one. A friendly reminder from the Department of Education and this station.
Tayo na sa radyo eskwela. Tayo na!
We're back! Let's do more. Let us try to classify the following mixtures as homogeneous or heterogeneous. Are you ready? A magnet. Is it homogeneous or heterogeneous? You're right. A magnet is a homogeneous mixture. How about seeds? Are they homogeneous or heterogeneous? Correct. It is heterogeneous. The clouds in the sky. Are they homogeneous or heterogeneous? You're doing good. Yes, clouds are homogeneous. Do you eat fruits? What are the fruits in your backyard? How do you classify fruits? Very good. Fruits are heterogeneous. There are paints in the cabinet. How do you classify paints? Correct. Paints are homogeneous. Last example, my favorite macaroni salad. Is it homogeneous or heterogeneous? Very nice. Macaroni salad is classified as heterogeneous. These are only few of the many examples of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. What have you learned today, children? You're right. When we say mixtures, these are combination of several or two or more substances that can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Will you give examples of uniformly spread or homogeneous mixtures? Very nice. How about heterogeneous or not uniform in proportion mixtures? Can you give examples? You are very smart. I will give you a challenge and let me know what you can do. Listen to me carefully as I give you short questions. You are going to write your answers in your journal. First, a calamansi juice is composed of calamansi extract, water, and sugar. Is calamansi juice a homogeneous or a heterogeneous mixture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up! Can you please explain your answer? Very good. Next challenge. What type of mixture will you form when you mix different candies in a container? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up! Amazing answer, kids! At this point, let us check how much have you learned about describing mixtures. Open your module on page 8. Please choose the correct answer in each number. Use separate sheet for your answers. Let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following mixtures is heterogeneous? A. Salt and sugar dissolved in water. B. Powdered detergent in a pail of water. C. 3-in-1 coffee dissolved in hot water. D. Vegetable salad with dressing. Question number 2. Your mother prepared pinakbet for lunch. How will you describe its ingredients? A. It is a homogeneous mixture because it was evenly mixed. B. It is a heterogeneous mixture because its components are visible. C. It is heterogeneous mixture because of its uniformity. D. It is homogeneous mixture because it is not uniform. Question number 3. A vinegar mixed with soy sauce is homogeneous mixture because A. You can easily identify its components. B. You can only see the dark color of soy sauce. C. The mixture appears one. Oops! Hands up. Down. Up. Down. Let's go to question number 4. Which of the following is a homogeneous mixture? Roman number 1, Salt dissolved with water. Roman number 2, blood. Roman number 3, clothes in the basin. Roman number 4, books in the shelves. Which of them are homogeneous? A. 1 and 3, B. 1 and 4, C. 2 and 4, D. 1 and 2. Last question, number 5. Divine prepare a mixture of salad mixed with mayonnaise, carrots, cucumber, lettuce, and cheese. What type of mixture is it? Very good, kids. That concludes your quiz. As an additional activity for you to understand more about homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture, I will give you some more substances to form a mixture. Please gather the following substances. The substances are sugar, sand pebbles, milk powder, marbles, tap water, detergent powder, rice grains, calamansi extract, hot water, vinegar, seeds, and oil. The substances are sugar, sand pebbles, milk powder, marbles, tap water, detergent powder, rice grains, calamansi extract, hot water, vinegar, seeds, and oil. Are you done gathering the substances? Now, let's combine each substance to form a mixture. What kind of mixture is formed? Is it homogeneous? Write the name of the substances in the homogeneous column. Is it heterogeneous? Write it on the column for heterogeneous substances. We know that there are many substances at home which we can identify now after listening to this lesson. May I ask you then to list 10 examples of each mixture found at your home? That will be your basis for the next lesson, which you will hear again on air soon. So, that's all for today, children. Did you enjoy our lesson for today? I'm glad that you did. I hope that tomorrow is another exciting day for us. Remember to review your lessons before going to bed so that you will do better for the next lesson. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to catch up our next lesson here on School on Air for 6th grade science. Let us thank Mom Virginia P. Barangay for this remarkable lesson that she wrote, and of course, the Sdo Isabela Rbi production team. Thank you so much. This is your radio teacher, Ma'am Rachel Parr, saying keep on learning, keep on achieving, keep safe, stay at home, and God bless you all.
Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon.
Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang may iwan.
Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela!